Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we can use the ngTemplate outlet in our Angular project. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So, ngTemplateOutlet directive in Angular allows you to render a template dynamically in your component. It's often used when you want to define reusable template snippets and render them conditionally or dynamically in your application. Key concepts: template reference. ngTemplate, this is where you define the reusable template snippet. ngTemplateOutlet directive dynamically binds ngTemplate to a specific location in your component. With the example, you will get more clarity in that. So ngTemplate, basically, if you want to render a template dynamically in your component, okay, in that case it will used. Let's have a look for that one. Okay, so here you can see we have the ngTemplate and the ng container. Let's have a look. Without this and without adding this fragment or the reference, it will not render anything. Because this is useless. Because reference, it is useless, right? So how we can reference it out? Here you can see with the help of the ngTemplate outlet, I'm going to reference this. Now it will render this one. Okay, so here you can see that the dynamic functionality is added. Okay, if I want to pass or access some variables from this ng container to that ng template, you can also do that part. Okay, so here you have to just pass a context object context. Okay, so here we have to pass this one, that is show message, and whatever the message you want to pass it over here. Hello Rajnikant. Okay, and here you can see it's not showing. Oh, because we haven't called this value here. Okay, so we have to go with the let part, let whatever the variable name, and here you need to pass this context. Okay, and now you will get this value with the help of interpolation. Okay, so here you can just use the message msg. So this is the variable that we have declared, and let hyphen this is let would be always be added, and this is your variable name. Make sure, and I'm going to calling this variable, and whatever the function value context we have, I need to pass it over here. Make sure you have to remember all this. Rajnikant is coming. Hello Rajnikant. Whatever the show message we have, it will come over here. Correct? The second thing, in the component, if we define and call it from here, that is possible? Yes, it is possible. Let's have a look. There we have a user details. I'm making an object, right? I want to access this values, name and the channel, right? So if I go with the HTML part, and here in this one, I'm going to use that one. Okay, or you can go with this user details, or you can simply pass the user details, I suppose. Okay, I'm going to go with user details here, and the message dot, I think name we have, right? So with the help of the name, I'm going to access this one, Rajnikant. So here you can see name we have. Now I'm going to access the channel also. So you can also make it like here, the channel. Okay, save it. The test is coming. Right, so from the component to the template files also it will work. Okay, and if I want to go with a function, so here you can see that we have a declaration of the function also. So you can also use the function also. Just returning the sum, you can calculate the a plus b equal to sum of the two variables, and just if I want to get the sum of that one, what we have to do, just go and just add here the function. So here get sum, and this is how you can go with this one, and user details is already there. I need to just press the message and the 30 will print over here. Okay, so this is how you can use this ng template outlet. I hope you clear on that. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.